when you call me. It's like an echo, I hear it running through my blood. If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance.
Hi guys, so I hope that you enjoyed my little styling video today. I'm getting super excited for layers, so I did this little video for you today. All the shoes I'm wearing in this video are from Koi Footwear, which is a affordable vegan brand, which is great. I will obviously link up everything down below. This video is sponsored by Koi, and I have a discount code for you, which is JESS25 for 25% off everything as well, which is an extra level of greatness. So thank you Koi for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.